Depends sa partner ko. Early 30s.
Early 30s.
You guys want kids? You girls want kids?
Yeah. I want 12 minimum.
Crazy girl.
12 minimum.
You're
Joking.
No.
That's crazy, dude.
I can't.
Good luck to your pal. There are times where gusto ko magkanak, but there are times where gusto ko mag...
Ako talaga 28.
Twenty-
Dati,
the boy?
dati 30, tapos 32 anak. Pero na-realize ko na parang
Yeah.
sobrang late siya.
Lagduo.
Para sa akin.
No, ako before 26, 27, gusto ko na ikasal.
Ako din.
Like,
Until now, 27.
But here we
Until
are.
na, ako no, like,
Depende pa rin.
sobrang nanibago yung perspective ko, like, lately. Like, parang, ang aga, I'm 23, and I'm 27,
That's right.
and
But it's also a long time from now.
no, I can't. Feeling ko
As long as financial.
Depende kung ano mang okay na.
but I can't wait to get married. It used to be my number one dream. I want mine to be in Italy. Like a Italy talaga yung ano ko.
Lake Como.
Dream. Lake Como. There talaga yung dream destination wedding ko. We've been there. We went to Lake Como.
Ako, Manila.
Diba? Nung ano natin, with natin Nung talaga. Pero like,
Doon, church.
Intramuros.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
It's so solemn inside.